Discover the enchanted world of gingerbread houses, where delicious imagination has no limitations. Gingerbread houses are holiday-themed structures. They are loaded with candies and unique decorations that are popular in North America and Europe. Shows like the Holiday Baking Championship showcase culinary artistry. But how did these edible wonders find their place in our holiday traditions? Ginger is an ancient spice. It has progressed from a healing miracle in China 5,000 years ago to a key element in holiday foods. Hansel and Gretel, a classic fairy tale, features a magical witch's gingerbread home. It influenced folk tales and sparked a creative revival among German bakers. Gingerbread house competitions have become a popular holiday event in the America. It has now transformed into a festive celebration. Gingerbread delights are a long-honored sweet tradition that brings charm to holiday gatherings. They transcend time and shape, adding a delightful touch to festive occasions. Remember that every delicious creation has a wonderful story. It brings seasonal magic as you go on your gingerbread journey. Gingerbread houses have become an iconic symbol in North America and Europe. The Holiday Baking Championship, Gingerbread Showdown has made these culinary delights an annual tradition. It includes candies, dried fruits, and lovely icing. The Guinness Book of World Records features gingerbread mansions that stand 10 feet tall and can fit a family of 5. The exciting trip of gingerbread houses begins with a study of the fundamental ingredient, ginger. Ginger has used for over 5,000 years in China, helping with stomach difficulties and nausea. Ginger, a root spice, gained favor in Europe during its discovery period and has since become a common element in modern Western cuisine. The issue is, what inspired Europeans to transform gingerbread into the beautiful architectural wonders of gingerbread houses? This question opens a door to the fascinating origins and creative evolution of a festive tradition. Enter the Brothers Grimm, a German sibling duo best known for creating timeless stories such as Cinderella and the Wizard. The story of Hansel and Gretel's gingerbread house in a spooky woodland enchanted people. It prompted a creative revival among German bakers. The Hansel and Gretel myth affected the growth of gingerbread making from its common use in Germany and Romania. It played a significant role in transforming the tradition into modern gingerbread houses. This practice brought to the America by German settlers, who transformed it into a mass-marketed powerhouse. When gingerbread houses arrived in North America, they met with a cold reaction. But the practice spread to houses and became an ongoing trend. Gingerbread has baked during the winter season in Germany. Its festive decorative style became a symbol of Christmas in America. It has linked the gingerbread houses and the holiday season. The introduction of gingerbread houses into popular culture resembles the Western mindset, which shows loving something leads to its more need. Gingerbread house competitions are becoming common. They influenced by elegant home fashion designs pushing creative boundaries. Modern gingerbread housemaking inspired by Middle Ages events. It outperforms the mechanical limits of an 18th century town, allowing for the creation of intricate and complex designs. Gingerbread has evolved into an easy dessert in modern holiday celebrations, accessible in a variety of forms and sizes. Individuals' creative desires in making larger and better gingerbread houses add to the Christmas joy. Gingerbread homes, a mashup of medical roots, stories, and cultural evolution, make for an engaging bedtime story. They may not be the most traditional Christmas narrative, but their eclectic origins add an extra layer of intrigue to the holiday season. If other festive goodies have sweet and harmful beginnings, they offer an extra element of excitement to the season's delights. As we say goodbye to the magical story of gingerbread houses, let's carry the spirit of creativity into our own holiday traditions. The journey from ancient China to modern-day luxury created a patchwork of festive delight. It tells us that customs change but the enchantment remains. Allow the sweet and spicy scent of ginger stay in your celebrations. Whether you're making a gingerbread masterpiece or enjoying holiday sweets. As we celebrate the Christmas season, may the story of gingerbread houses continue to inspire imagination and warmth. This holiday season, let your sweet imagination go wild. Participate in the gingerbread revolution and make tasty delights. Explore the magic of constructing gingerbread houses. It's more than just a tradition, it's a joyful adventure. Enhance your holiday celebrations with sugar and spice. Let the gingerbread celebrations begin.